Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. Yazi kunento eyenziwa Mamelodi Sundowns. Abantu abaningi bazoyithatha kancane but ke lento eyenziwa Mamelodi Sundowns right now bafuna ukwenza ihistory ngempela. Yabo bafuna ukwenza ihistory ngempela, bafuna ukuyolanda istar sesibili. Yabo so ngizokhuluma la ngeMamelodi Sundowns i-title race yayo kwi-Betway Premiership base ke ngizokhuluma ngeOrlando Pirates. Ngaphezulu ngizofaka bani na? Ngizofaka i-DDC team yeMamelodi Sundowns. Kunento eyenziwa iMamelodi Sundowns. I don't think abantu abaningi bayi-recognize lento le or bayayibona lento le. Ungasubheke kwi-DDC team yeMamelodi Sundowns. Remember ngeweekend athi bidlala against iMarumo Gallants, i-DDC team. Yebo ifuna ukufica iOrlando Pirates DDC team. Babanga isicoco se-DDC, se-DStv Disc Challenge. Look at the lineup yabadlali beMamelodi Sundowns abadlala ku-DStv Disc Challenge. Siqale nje lapha ngoSibiya, size ngoKhoza, size ngoKekana, size ngoMokwena, size ngoLetlako. Do you see these players? Do you see these players? Most yalabadlali abadlala la. Sengikhohle ukubala uKhoza. Ukhoza, imagine uKhoza umdlali weBafana Bafana, a whole Bafana Bafana player playing with DDC. Do you see ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ihlakaniphe kanjani? They see ukuthi they are losing the title race with DDC. Why don't we take these players who are playing with Betway Premiership and send them and help these young ones who are playing with the DC? You see now, these young ones they are getting game time. Yabo bakhalaza ukuthi abayitholi game time njengoba bedlala le kwi first team. Cha, bathathiwe bayiswa le ezansi ukuthi bayothola game time, bathola amandla and basize i-team ukuthi iwine i-league. Yabo ukuyisiza kwabo ke i-team mhlawumbe abanye babo mangayithola sebethandwa ucoach ubani uMiguel Cardoso. So ibonakalisa lapha ku DDC. Yabo and lento le iyayisebenzela ngempela Mamelodi Sundowns because if you remember abajida bebengenzi kahle iSundowns ibingenzi kahle bafethu kwi-DDC kule season le but ke so far ever since these players were integrated in back to the squad abajida they are doing very well and iOrlando Pirates bayayi-challenge ngempela. Lento le ingenze ngarealize ukuthi nje uMamelodi Sundowns isiyodlala nje ama-semi-final bayodlala ne-Asfar njengoba beyodlala nje ne-Asfar lento le izobalimaza kwisicoco se-Betway Premiership. Izobalimaza ngani na ngoba labafana abancane nje wabebehlisile bayobadlalisa kwi-DDC basazoya kudlala le eAfrica nje wabeyodlala le eAfrica they need players abazo-challenge ngabo nje wabeyodlala le kuma-semi-final kanje. I know bane-squad esiningi kakhulu nje wabene-squad esiningi kakhulu sakubona lokho bedlala against i-TS Galaxy. I-TS Galaxy yakwazi ukuba expose yabashaya ngo-2-0 ngosikhathi badlala le Nedbank Cup. Yabashaya ngo-2-0 even though baberestile abadlali babo, even though ba-introducer their first team players, but iMamelodi Sundowns uma i-introducer the second team abakwazi badlale kahle. Uma befielder the second team abakwazi badlale kahle. Lokhu kuzolala ekutheni yini abayifuna kakhulu. Remember ke iMamelodi Sundowns kade baqala ukufuna istar sesibili. Njengoba nje befuna istar sesibili le season le iyabakhanyela kakhulu. Kuphume iPyramids kwaphuma i-Al Ahly. Kuphume iPyramids kwaphuma i-Al Ahly. iMamelodi Sundowns is one of the best teams akhona. Yes, ikhona experience i-team mhlambe ke ingabanikeza inkinga. Remember ke iMamelodi Sundowns vele sebakhishwa i-experience ngaphambilini ngosikhathi bedlala kuma-semi-finals bangaya kwi-final kuleya season. Last season baphume ke kwi-final beshawa iPyramids. Nayo ke iPyramids iphumile kule season and i-Al Ahly nayo iphumile. So ba ma favorites ukuthi bayisithathe lesicoco sakule season. Njengoba nje bema favorite basithathe isicoco ngeke bawenze mistakes ukuthi ke abadlali abajwayele ukudlala first team games badlalise kakhulu because the more bebadlalisa kakhulu the more i-pressure izoba khona, the more abajida bezoleka mebeya le eAfrica because okay Africa akuthathi one day, kuthatha maybe 2 days ukutravel abayile koMorocco kanje. So zisazokhala kakhulu kwi-Betway Premiership. Akhona ama-games ayeza ayashisa. There is Kaizer Chiefs in the mix, there is Durban City in the mix, there is Stelis in the mix. Asazi noMamelodi Sundowns izokwazi nokumanager. Ilapho ke Orlando Pirates engena khona. Orlando Pirates the remaining fixtures ezowadlala there is Kaizer 10 teams out 3 okuyi-Durban City, okuyi-Richards Bay, masukube i-Golden Arrows if I'm not mistaken, maybe namaZulu nawo akhona in the mix. Yabo but ke ungangitshela kuma comments if I missed one team but ke I know i-game was 4 kulo April esiyakona for iOrlando Pirates bawodlala against iKaizer Chiefs. So lawo ma points awu-12 Orlando Pirates iyawadinga kakhulu. So ngokwakho ingabe Orlando Pirates izokwazi ukuthi isithathe isicoco njengoba iMamelodi Sundowns kumele iprioritize iDDC, kumele futhi iphinde izoprioritize iBetway Premiership, iphinde izoprioritize izoprioritize iCAF Champions League, which is the tournament abafuna ukuyiwina kakhulu kunazo zonke, ngoba uma beyiwina leyo tournament bazokwenza ihistory, becoming the first South African team ukuthi ibe nezita ezimbili. Yabo, ungangitshela ke wena ngokwakho, do you think sinalo ithuba? Ngokwami I think ithuba likhona. Yabo, the chance is there to take the league. Like iyasibuka right now, ngiyayibuka right now, uyangibuka.